In today's video, I want to show you or explain to you how to insert a table inside table in Microsoft Office. This is very simple thing that you need to do. So let's start a new project by combining Ctrl plus N. It brings us to this interface. So I want to create a table here. Let's insert, then go to table. Let's create this table, this 3 dialog table like this. Now I want to create 2 dialog table into the first row. Now you see that my cursor is in the first row. Then go ahead and click on this button again, insert. Then come to this place. Then you can create 2 or 3 table into this place. Let me say 3 by 3 into this place. We created this 3 by 3 into this place. The second process to use to create a table into this insert table in Microsoft Word is very simple. Let's come to the second page here. Now go to insert button. Click on this table. This time around, I'm going to use insert table. Click on it. Now let's manually enter the number of column. We are going for 3 column this time around, and the number of row we are going for now 3 rows, 3 column. Then click on OK button. You can see that we've been able to insert 3 column and 3 row into this place. Now the last one here, let's insert another table here. This way is very simple. This time around, you can as well follow the same process. Insert, then click on this place. Now let's insert 2 by 4 rows into this place. Now you can see that we've been able to create table inside tables in Microsoft Office. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.